Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a huge shopping haul for you guys, and when I say huge, I mean huge. To start off with the Dollar Tree, one of my absolute favorite stores to ever go to is the Dollar Tree. So I've actually picked up quite a few new goodies. Okay, I have been seeing this brand, Global Beauty Care, on the internet for a while now, so I decided to go on the hunt for this. I'll just show you individually. So I got the Smooth and Lift Collagen Skin Cream by Global Beauty. I got the eye cream, the facial cleanser, and the facial serum. I really love this blue shade of the packaging as well. I did get me one of these oatmeal and almond nourishing bath bar by Yardley. I wanted to give this a try. And I got me a little soap holder for my shower. These two things are by Spa Luxury. I got the Wonder Vanilla Cashmere scent and the Crave Plum Frieza scent. And these are body lotions. Let's take a smell. This one is the Vanilla Cashmere. Very, very faint, but I do smell the vanilla. I do smell the vanilla. Now let's try this one. This one's a little stronger. Not much stronger, but I don't know what that smell is, but it smells nice. The last two things that I have in this bag is the Moisture and Hydrate Hair Mask by Bolero. And I found this Be Pure Mint Lip Oil. I've never seen this in a Dollar Tree before, so I'm pretty excited to give this a go. Okay, I found tons of new styles of Ioni lashes, but I'm going to try to sift through the things here that are not lashes so I can show you those first. I got this bobby pin. I actually did get two of these. I thought that these were so cute, and I do have a collection of these luxury bobby pins from the Dollar Tree. So I did get two of these. I did get just some regular black scrunchies. I have all kinds of scrunchies, and I want to replace my black ones because it's good to replace your dirty old stinky scrunchies. Absolute favorite find of the day are these Rimmel London Jelly Highlighters. I found two different highlighters. I have been on the hunt for the highlighters. So now I have the blush, the bronzer, and two highlighters. Okay, this is what it looks like. Is that shade. I just got what was on that lid. Ooh, it's a nice golden. Look at that. Okay, so this pink one may be my absolute favorite. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. And this one is in the shade Shifty Shimmer. And that gold one was in Poppin' Bottles. Okay, and here it is on the back of my hand. I should have gotten multiples. Okay, for the rest of the makeup items that I have, I only have two more makeup items, and that is these Be Pure Essentially Ageless blushes. I got the blush Hibiscus and Dahlia, and I was able to find them. Last but not least, for the Dollar Tree is Ioni lashes. I did find a ton of new styles. So here's one of them. And I just picked up quite a bit of them. And I picked up my Natural Light Doll because I love them. Them was my favorite. Again, I just picked up a ton of lashes. Okay, next is Beals, formerly known as Burke's Outlet. I did not get too many things from Burke's because I went in there for a specific item, but I did get some of these Belmont peanuts in butter toffee. These are candied peanuts. Yum, 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 yum. I want to actually try one right here. Oh, they look nice. actually prefer it if they were cashews. I needed some loofahs. You're supposed to replace your loofahs, I think, once a month. Definitely do that. Some dry shampoo, and I've never even heard of this brand. It's Random Pure, and it's plant-based, and it's Rosewater Weightless Hydration Dry Shampoo. Okay, and these are the things that I actually went there for because Marshall's did not have a selection of wallets for some reason. So I got this little bitty wallet by Monday. That's how we say Monday around here, is Monday. By Monday. And this is for my smaller purses. And I paid $7.99 for it, but it actually retails for $24. Okay, I got this beautiful, beautiful wallet here by Guess. Oh my God, the retail price on this is $39.99, but I paid $16.99 for this. I needed a more neutral wallet to go with my new purse that you guys will be seeing in just a few minutes. But this is beautiful. This is gorgeous. Oh my God, I am in love with this. Look at this purse. I got it for when me and my husband goes out on dates. Because I think that this is nice and elegant. This is by Perezzo. It was on clearance for $16. And it's just one compartment. But look at the detailing. And to go along with this wallet from Guess, I did get this Like Dreams purse from Marshall's. I needed something more neutral and with a hint of black, and this was perfect. I love the big strap on it, so comfortable, and these are detachable as well. It has a zipper in the back, which I love, and it also has a one compartment inside, which I'm not mad at. This is exactly what I wanted, and I got exactly what I wanted with this one. So I got me some of this Cushion Air shoes. If you guys know me, you know that I have the one strap. It just has one strap right here in the same color as these, and I have worn them every single day for a few years now, and they just look horrible. So I wanted to get me a new pair because I love them so much, and I saw this one, and it's the thong flip-flop top, and I had to get it. Okay, the next few things that I have here are perfume. I needed to restock on my perfume because I was running low on all of my actual perfumes and not body sprays. So I got this Instinct Pour Home by Jean Riche. I believe, because this was on sale for $12.99, I do believe that it was supposed to have like a little chain here. I'm not sure, but this is what it looks like. Smells so good. It smells powdery. It smells clean. I really like that. The next one here is the La Air de Paris by Jean Marc Paris. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Oh, it smells so sweet. It smells so sweet. And the last perfume that I got is this actual set by Tocca. I do have a big Tocca perfume here that my husband got me years ago for our anniversary. So I am in love with the Tocca scent, and these are just little dabbers. Oh my God. Okay, the last few items that I got from Marshall's is this Think Space Beauty 12-piece organizer tray set. I got me this with shea butter and tea tree oil. This is a pedi scrub in a sponge. I got me some of these exfoliating washes because I want to start washing my back real good. I do wash my back good. I have one of those long ones, and I actually can reach my back with my loofahs, but I wanted to give these a try. What's the harm? There's 2 of them in there. I got me some of these, what is this, a body prescriptions facial cleansing wipes. The only reason why I got these is because my makeup looked horrible when I went out today. And I got these to wipe off my makeup as soon as I got back out in the car. I got this Alba Botanica Acne face and body scrub. It is the maximum strength. I'm going to use this when it's that time of the month, like right now, because I tend to break out with acne all over. I have hormonal acne really, really bad, so I'm hoping that this will help. It is plant-based. Okay, last but not least, I got this Nature Love Tea Tree and Mint Scalp Scrub. I have used a scalp scrub before and I absolutely loved it. It did wonders for my hair. So I've been missing having a scalp scrub, so I did go ahead and pick that up when I saw it. But you guys, if you like this big ass shopping haul, give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you've ever tried any of these products, or what is your favorite product from each store. Bye!